Russia is ready to supply warplanes to Azerbaijan, the Azerbaijani media reported, quoting from the Defense Ministry of Azerbaijan on April 7. Menafn reported. Within the framework of military technical cooperation between the Republic of Azerbaijan and the Russian Federation, a special delegation of the Azerbaijan Air Force visited companies included in the Russian military-industrial complex. Members of the Azerbaijani delegation visited a Russian military factory that manufactures Su-35 and MiG-35 warplanes. During a meeting with representatives of Rosoboronexport, Export, one of the leaders in Russia's global arms market and military factory management, stated, the Azerbaijani side expressed its interest in buying the most modern warplanes made in Russia, as posted on the ministry's website. During the briefing, the Azerbaijani delegation was briefed on the tactical and technical characteristics of the aircraft, combat capability, weaponry, production, operation and maintenance of the aircraft in general. On the Russian side, it stated its readiness to send fighter planes to Azerbaijan in numbers that met the needs of the Azerbaijan Air Force. Azerbaijan's military pilots have made practical flights with MiG-35 fighter planes at Russian military air bases. Azerbaijan is a country with military power ranked 53rd in the world, better than many CIS countries and regions. In addition, cooperation between Russia and Azerbaijan in the military sector is strategic and growing.